So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to pull reports on PayPal. So if you want to pull custom reports or monthly statements on your PayPal account, you'll first need to log in. So let's do just that. So once you've done that, you can see this layout right there. It's going to say home, then wallet, and your send/request. So you can get to your activity or history tab. So let's open up that balance right here. You can see the activity right there. So you can click on show all and your payments and transaction history will be laid out right there. So from that point you can click the download icon that's often near the search or filter options. So you can select custom from your menu options and go ahead and download it as a special report. And you can follow those prompts if you've gone to your custom to create that specific report. Then you can click on download once it's ready to be created, and then download it for your bookkeeping or some other purposes that you might have with those reports. So it's really located under your balance. So once that's done, if you want some more options like account statements or some specific monthly statements, you can find the specific month you need and click request next to that specific month. So you need to find that specific time period that suits you, and you will need to just wait a few moments for the file to process. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on PayPal or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.